Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Patil. Today I am going to solve the example of Gauss-Jordan elimination method. These are the linear equations. First we will see what is the Gauss-Jordan elimination method. It is an algorithm for solving systems of linear equations. Solution. First we will convert this into the matrix form, that is A is equals to 1 1 1 2 3 5 4 0 5. X is equals to x y z. B is equals to 5 8 2. After that we will convert into the augmented form. Augmented matrix 3 by 3 matrix 1 1 1 augmented with 5 2 3 5 augmented with 8 4 0 5 augmented with 2. After that we perform the row operations on the matrix by R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1. Then we will get the augmented matrix as first row will be same as it is 1 1 1 5. Then R2 minus 2 times R1 means 0. After that 1 3 augmented with 8 minus 2 into R1 means 8 minus 10 will get minus 2. Then R3 will be same as it is 405 augmented with 2. After that by performing R3 minus 4R1 we get the augmented matrix as 1 1 1 augmented with 5. After that 0 1 3 augmented with minus 2 and R3 minus 4 times R1 means 4 minus 4 into 1 4 means 4 minus 4 0. 0 minus 4 R1 will get the minus 4. 5 minus 4 times R1 means 1 and augmented with minus 18. After that by R3 plus 4R2 then we will get the augmented matrix as 1 1 1 augmented with 5 0 1 3 augmented with minus 2 and 0 0 13 augmented with minus 26. After performing this operation, we perform the row transformation by R3 changes to 1 upon 13 into R3. Then we will get the augmented matrix as 1 1 1 augmented with 5 0 1 3 augmented with minus 2 and 0 0 1 augmented with minus 2. by R2 changes to R2 minus 3 times R3. Then the matrix will be 1 1 1 augmented with 5, 0 1 0 augmented with 4, and 0 0 1 augmented with minus 2, because R2 minus 3 R3 means 0 minus 0, 1 minus 0 1, and 3 minus 3 times R3 will get the 0 by R1 minus R3. 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, and augmented matrix will be 5 minus of minus 2 means 5 plus 2 7. R2 and R3 will be same as it is. 0 0 1 minus 2. The last operation will be R1 changes to R1 minus R2. Then 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, and 0 minus 0 0. 7 minus 4 3, 0 1 0 augmented with 4, 0 0 1 augmented with minus 2. If we compare this matrix with the original matrix, then we will get the values as x is equals to 3, y is equals to 4, and z is equals to minus 2. Thank you.